First of all, a warm welcome to everybody who's on board today, sparing your time. There are people, speakers from across the planet, and also some of the giants in the wedding industry from the Indian invitations and stationery ecosystem. Along with we have a few people from the return gifts market as well. It's a pleasure to invite you all today.
So let me start again. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for being part of this session. Anantmaya means a magical world. The space in which we operate weddings is also about magic, wonder, fantasy, happiness, and of course, it's also about creating those memories. An invitation again is that one trigger for the weddings to happen. So that's why we are all here. So thanks again for being part of this.
So this handbook has got over more than 500 pages, and we have captured a lot of team sprints. So you just need to type handbook.anantmaya.com and then you're there. And you have all these pages. You can directly, if I wanna go and click, let's say customize invitations, and then I just go click customize invitations, and then you click through it. So you see colors, we start with the colors, red, green, what is running, pink, orange.
We mainly do type-based, so not a lot of decoration, not a lot of layers, just very, very minimal. And we're doing lots of modern monograms, tonal patterns like tone on tone, rust with nude, rust with chocolate.
So invitation is absolutely triggered towards the happiness for sure. The way Ms. Tess has, touched upon the typography and things, a very, very small thing in terms of changing just the face of a font brings a lot of happiness. Right now, what is happening, people are, becoming a little bit skeptical about touching things because of all those, the containment problems and all those things.
What I'm saying now from my clients is we're trying to push the envelope, so everyone is trying to go beyond printing. We'll literally go through like thousands of different papers, die cut together and stitch them by hand. This has 20 different layers of laser cut design. So they're stacked together to form a design that only says congratulations.
और कस्टमर को वापस एक बार हमारे शोरूम तक लाने के लिए हमें बड़े लेवल की ऑल ओवर इंडिया में अलग-अलग लैंग्वेज में सभी स्टेट में पब्लिसिटी करनी होगी, तो ये इंडस्ट्री वापस एक बार पहले की तरह उजागर होगी. और think positive, be positive.
If only 50 people will be invited, then the amount that will be spent will be concentrated. So that means that people may, there's one assumption that people may shift to more fancy weddings, more lavish weddings. We need to market ourselves in a effective manner. So we don't need to focus on the quantity right now, but we need to focus on the margins and the revenue that we're getting.
Currently, Indian wedding industry is approximately 100,000 crore and growing rate of 25 to 30% per annum. The country has a population of approximately 130 crore people with an assumption of 5 members in one family. There are around 250 million families in India right now, and assuming that there would be one marriage in each family in next 15 to 20 years, we are expecting 10 million marriages every year. Now just imagine, that is giving a very brighter picture.
I'm probably going to come at it from a bit of a European perspective, but they met through the Indian Cricket League. So the monogram that we created for them had a cricket bat and stumps and cricket balls. And when you open the pocket, the pattern that's on here is the balcony design from the Taj Mahal Hotel in Mumbai. The actual, so we did a little bit of foiling on it. This pattern is the roof design in the lobby of the Taj Mahal in Mumbai. And then each of the invitations had a botanic that was in the gardens of the grounds of Mumbai.
So it is just your business is getting postponed for a small period. So indirectly what happens? Indirectly this happens is your business is going to double fold next year. You will have double opportunities next year. Let's start taking things positively.
Like the wedding invitation professionals are like a jack of all trades. They can do everything, like designing, they have people skills, they have designing skills. They understand all printing processes very minutely. I think they have a great opportunity to think something out of the box.
तो जो भी प्रिंटिंग के अंदर मिस्टेक हुई है उसको रेक्टिफाई करके उसको की जो भी है रीप्रिंट करके देना है, उसके अंदर बहुत मिनिमाइज से मिनिमाइज चार्जेस करना है, जिससे वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी.
Wedding is much more than like uniting souls for a new life. It is like tangling of cultures, families and societies. The colors will be kind of limited. There will not be jazzy colors for now because there's a kind of a trauma which is going on in the society. So people will be looking at it in a more simpler way, in a more realistic manner.
So probably we will start looking for eco-friendly stuff or more sustainable stuff. So we are also trying to, and we were talking to some manufacturers in eastern part of India and northeastern part of India, where bamboo is being promoted both by them and by the governments there in a very, very big time.
Definitely people have some budget for the wedding. So all those people who have not come for the wedding do get that gift or whatever, as a blessing. The people making cards could shift to thank you cards.
To congratulate you for the Anant Maya Handbook digital book. Now people will see this eco-friendly product on a more wider approach with a new angle towards it.
I think that the scope for jute packaging and jute invites has like the government has imposed a rule where the gathering shouldn't be more than 50. So I think we can go in for more of personalized gifting. So I just have a bag which I can show you. This again is a gold foil. Hope you can see.
We're open for questions. Anybody wants to throw in a question, please feel free. I already have specifically for Mr. Wendy. What colors will trend this year?
I always encourage my clients to follow their heart and not to follow the trends.
Precautions or preventive measures to be taken for the print industry specifically?
I've posted invitations on behalf of clients. Nobody's had a problem with it.
My question is regarding the sustainable colors that you're using. So I just wanted to ask, what is the difference in the output, the result that when you use a sustainable color and a normal color?
It's a wax as opposed to an ink. It's a Xerox printer, and they so you get better volume and better coverage.
It's a wax-based printer, and if we have to do something as a value add, maybe, or a lamination or something has to be done on that. So it doesn't support that, because when the print passes through heat, the color gets smudged. So it just becomes a black, black spot. It doesn't stays as a print because it is just wax.